My name is D. Lakshman Narasimha, and today I'm going to discuss with us to two DSA problems. Let me discuss about the first. This is the x smallest number. First we have to discuss about the problem statement. What we gonna solve, and we have to what we have to returning that problem statement. So, in this problem statement, we have to find the left diagonal and right diagonal. Of finding the after finding as a left diagonal and right diagonal, we have to find the which is a smaller is element in sense the left diagonal and right diagonal. So here I will be explaining it as to this is the like as a nested as a 2D array. So as you know, as a 2D array we have like looking like this only, right? So array comma array, suppose we have given values on 1 comma 1, and then we have like as a 3 comma 4. So this is mean by 2D array, right? In array, so in this arrays we have left diagonal means we 1 comma 3 and sorry 1 comma 4, and right diagonal means we 1 comma 3. See here the left diagonal and right diagonal. So after finding as a left diagonal, right diagonal, we will be find it like as a which is the minimum value here. So we have left equals sorry left equals to we have 1 comma 4, and as well as we can take 1 comma 4, yeah. And right we have right we have 1 comma 3, right? So in this left diagonal and right diagonal we can see which is a smaller element is there. So in both diagonals we have smaller element, we can find out like as a 1. So that will be we have to returning the output. So that is the number we have to returning that. So I'll be explaining with as to code how we have to do, how I will be solving that. So for that I'll be finding like as a two left diagonals. So we have to create it like as a two arrays, two empty arrays, two left diagonal two storing elements and left diagonal right diagonal storing elements. Here I will be running as a loop. For it will be accessing the like as a nested array of elements to like a, if element is array of 0 of 0, we can returning like as a we can storing these elements. So after that we have like as a left and right diagonal will be storing into as a that both elements into as a one single array. Then we can find out like as a easily as by using like as a array methods in math.min. That is a array method, we can find out the minimum element. So that I'll be using like as a concat array method. So it will be concating with as to left array is equals to like as a total entire one array. So like this it will be happening. So in this array we'll be find out like as a which is a minimum value. So first I'll be spreading with us to that answer array into as a some resultant array to storing as a copy of the like as our main array. So then we can find out like as a using this as a math and min method. So that is the method we have to find out like as a min method. So I will show it like as a min value here also. So give me 1 second. It will be loading on that. So that's all about. So it is having like as a C. We can get it like as an exact output like as a 1. So that's all this question. And also we're gonna discuss about like as a this is the most common interviews question. So it will be asked in most of the interviews also. So one of the I will be facing as this question in my interview. So we can discuss like as a first as a question. So we have to find the longest common prefix. So in this question we will be having like as a strings array of strings. So in these strings we will be find out like as a which is a longest as to both common prefix sum. You know, prefix means we will be getting like as a starting one, which is a starting one is the longest. So here array will given like a like this. So we have flower, yes, flower, and as well as flow, and we have one more thing like as a flick. Yeah. This is a array of array they are given in question. So in this question we will be find out like other which is the longest common prefix sum. So this is mean by prefix, so this is mean by prefix, this is mean by prefix starting of element. So we'll be find out like that is the element. So we will find out like the language is prefix sum, we'll be returning that. So you know that here array of we have having like as a array of strings, right? So we'll be iterating as a loop into as a in a entire our array. So we'll be find out we have one run as a two loops. One is a nested one is a from zero to from this string only. So we have to return the array of zero dot length. So it will be returning only this element. So it will be comparing with as to this is elements are same or not. So then another one loop as a returning like as a from I equals to 1. So that will be goes like as a from these two elements. So if I is 0, we can compare with the this element. Sorry, this f. So if is equal, it will be storing some place, and we have to check it this also. If we both are same, we will be storing it that element. So if both are not same, we can returning that also like as a words of 0 dot up to I loop where we have to run. So for suppose we are running like as a loop is I equals to 2, so we have to returning like as a from words of 0, no, this is the element, right? So this is the character, right? So that's why it will be returning, sorry, that's why it will be returning with the value of like as a fl. So if you words dot length is equals to 0, we have to return the empty string. So that is the case we have to like the take care of the edge case also. So we can check it like as a for that. So we can see, and second case we will be don't have any as a equal. So that's why we have to return it as empty space. So that's all guys, I'll be explaining as of today.